How to fix WhatsApp call unavailable on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp call unavailable on Android phone. First go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps and click apps again, and here click WhatsApp and here go to permissions and enable all of those here: storage, phone and microphone and camera. Just if you want to enable it, just click microphone and click allow, and phone and allow, and then allow all of those, and go to storage, clear cache, and then click force stop here and try again. Go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.